In this question, we have to find in which of the following given compound maximum extent of SIR or steric inhibition of resonance is possible. Now, for SIR or steric inhibition of resonance, minimum 3 groups must be attached from benzene ring. Now, out of 3, 1 must be bulky group. Now, this must be bulky, and groups at ortho position in place of A and B, there may be any group other than hydrogen, but X must be, the group X must be bulky, group X must be planar. So, if we take first condition, now in this case there are hydrogen atoms are present. Now, in place of A and B, there may be any group other than hydrogen. If group other than hydrogen is present, now due to repulsion between these groups, X will be out of plane. So, first of all, X should be planar. X cannot be tetrahedral. X should not be tetrahedral, linear or atom. So, in first case, SIR is not possible because hydrogen atoms are present which are small. In second case, here hydrogen atoms are present, so again SIR is not possible. In option C, now nitrogen NMe2 is bulky group and NMe2 is planar group, and when methyl is situated at ortho position, now due to steric crowding, this NMe2 change its plane. Now, if NMe2 is present in vertical plane, then ring will be in horizontal plane. So, now its structure gets changed. Now, if NMe2 is in vertical plane, now ring will be present in horizontal plane like this. So, SIR is possible in third case, while fourth case SIR is not possible. SIR is not present because groups attached at ortho position of NMe group are very small and they are hydrogen atom. So, correct answer is C. In this question, we have to find correct stability order of following carbocation, and now this stability of carbocation can be explained on the basis of SIR effect. Now, in first case, here methyl group is present which is less crowded. Now, isopropyl group even more crowded, and in the case of third, now tertiary butyl group is present, and in third case molecule is most crowded. Now, due to increasing crowding at ortho position, this isopropyl group become out of plane, due to which resonance is decreased. So, due to SIR, resonance is decreased. So, with increasing crowding at ortho position, resonance is decreased, and hence tendency of positive charge to be involved in resonance is also decreased. So, in this case, first is having maximum resonance, second resonance is decreased, and in third case resonance is minimum, and hence first is most stable, then second, and then third. In this question, we have to find correct statement about the given compound. Now, this molecule is having ortho effect on these NO2, while SIR effect is not applicable on Br. Now, SIR effect is not applicable on atoms, tetrahedral group, linear group and smaller group, while SIR effect is only applicable on planar group which are having V shape, or crowded group, which are bulky groups. Now, ortho effect is applicable on both NO2 group. So due to ortho effect, tendency of NO2 group to involve in resonance is decreased. Now, if we take first carbon nitrogen bond, now if NO2 become out of plane, then tendency to involve in resonance for this NO2 group is comparatively decreased, while this NO2 which is attached at carbon number 3 is still present in same plane, so there is possibility of resonance, while in C1 and C5 tendency of carbon nitrogen bond to involve in resonance is decreased, and hence carbon nitrogen bond at C1 and C5 is equal, and it is greater than carbon nitrogen bond of C3. So correct answer is C. C1 nitrogen and C5 nitrogen bond lengths are same but longer than C3. In C3 bond length is decreased due to resonance, while in C1 and C5 NO2 is slightly deviated from its plane, due to which resonance is comparatively decreased, and hence correct answer is C. In this question we have to find in which case carbon nitrogen bond length is longest. Now if we consider bond X, now this is attached with triple bond. Now Y, U and Z are attached with double bond. So X is having minimum length, triple bond is having minimum bond length, then Y is having complete double bond. Now U and Z are having partial double bond due to resonance. Bond length is maximum for single bond, then for partial double bond, then double bond, and then triple bond. So X is having triple bond character, minimum bond length, then Y complete double bond character. Now U and Z are having almost equal bond length but greater than complete double bond, because due to resonance partial double bond is present. Now W is having complete single bond, and hence bond length is maximum in the case of W, and hence correct answer is D. In this question we have to find correct order of Ka value for the given compound. Now Ka value depend on acidic strength. With increasing acidic strength, with increasing ionization constant, acidic strength also increases. Now if any group is present at ortho position of benzoic acid, now this will increase acidic strength. Now all ortho substituted benzoic acid are more acidic than meta-para substituted or non-substituted. With increasing size of group attached at ortho position, ortho effect also increases, and due to which acidic strength also increases. Now in first case NO2 is present, which is having very strong minus I effect, minus M effect and ortho effect. So first is most acidic, then out of Br, Cl and F, Br is having largest size, due to which it applies more ortho effect. So second, then third and then fourth. Now in fifth case OCH3 group is present, which impart plus M effect. So due to presence of plus M effect, acidic strength is comparatively decreased, and hence fifth is least acidic. So correct answer is A. In this question we have to find which among the following will be strongest acid. Now in first case OH is present at para position, so it will have minus I and plus M effect, so it will increase acidic strength of benzoic acid. Now in second case, OCH3 is present at meta position, so only minus I effect is applicable, minus M effect is not applicable. So it will increase acidic strength of benzoic acid. In third case, OH will apply ortho effect on benzene ring. So due to presence of ortho effect, all ortho substituted acid are comparatively more acidic than meta para or non substituted. So due to presence of ortho effect, third is more acidic than first. Now along with ortho effect, in this case when salt is formed and carboxylate anion is formed, now this carboxylate anion, O negative ion, will stabilized by hydrogen bond of OH group, so extra stabilized. Ortho effect is present, along with anion is stabilized by hydrogen bond, so third will form most stable conjugate base, and hence acidic strength will be maximum for third. While in case 4, ortho effect is present but hydrogen bond is not present. Carboxylate anion is not stabilized by resonance, and hence third is most acidic, and correct answer is C. In this question we have to find which of the following given acid is most acidic in nature. Now all ortho substituted benzoic acid are more acidic than meta, para or non substituted acid, no matter group is electron donating or group is electron withdrawing. Now acidic strength can be compared on the basis of stability of conjugate base. Now in first case, when group is attached at ortho position, now due to steric crowding between these two groups, C-O group change its plane, so there is no resonance between carboxylate anion and benzene ring. Now if group is attached at para position or meta position, or group is not present, now this anion can be further destabilized by resonance of benzene ring with carboxylate anion because they are present in same plane. So a resonating structure is formed in which carboxylate anion is having two negative charge. Now due to presence of two negative charge, this resonating structure is very unstable, and due to formation of unstable resonating structure, meta, para and non substituted acid are less acidic compared to ortho substituted acid, and now this is called ortho effect, and by this way ortho effect increases acidic strength, and hence ortho substituted benzoic acid is most acidic, and correct answer is A. In this question we have to find which of the following is most acidic. Now option A, B and C are having COOH group, while option D is having SO3H group. Now if carboxylic acid is present and anion carboxylate anion is formed, now this is stabilized by equivalent resonance, and two identical or equivalent resonating structures are formed. In the case of carboxylic acid, two equivalent resonating structures are formed, while when sulfonic group is present, now in sulfonate ion three identical or three equivalent resonating structures are formed. So due to formation of more number of equivalent or identical resonating structure, sulfonate ion is more stable, three equivalent resonating structure, and hence sulfonic acid are always more acidic than carboxylic acid, and hence correct answer is D. In this question we have to find which of the following given carbocation will not rearrange to give more stable carbocation. Now if we take first molecule, now this carbocation is having only 3 alpha hydrogen, and if it gets rearranged, then now this carbocation is having total 7 alpha hydrogen, so it will rearrange to more stable carbocation. In B, this carbocation is having only 1 alpha hydrogen, and if rearrangement takes place, now total 3, 5 and 7 alpha hydrogens are again present, so it will rearrange to more stable carbocation. In option C, now this is cyclopropyl methyl carbocation, and cyclopropyl methyl carbocation is already stabilized by p orbital overlapping. P orbital overlapping is also called dancing resonance. So it is stabilized by dancing resonance, and dancing resonance is one of the most stabilizing electronic effect, so it will not rearrange. If it is rearranged to give 4-membered ring, now the 4-membered ring is not having dancing resonance, so C will not rearrange. In cyclopropyl methyl, rearrangement is not possible, hence correct answer is C. While in D, in fourth case, now this carbocation is having only 4 alpha hydrogen, and if it will get rearranged to 3-degree carbocation, now this carbocation is having total 8 alpha hydrogen. So in case of A, B and D, rearrangement is possible, while in case C, rearrangement is not possible, and hence correct answer is C. In this question we have to find which of the following is the strongest base. Now in first case, ortho effect of OH group is applicable, along with carboxylate anion is stabilized by hydrogen bond. In second case, there is SIR present in the molecule, and SIR will increase acidic strength more than ortho effect. So in first and second is more acidic than first. In case third, only ortho effect is present, and in fourth case there is no ortho effect. Now ortho effect and SIR effect both increases acidic strength. Now SIR effect is applicable when two groups are present at ortho position of benzoic acid. So when SIR is present, molecule is most acidic, then those molecules are acidic which are having ortho effect, and non-substituted benzoic acid is least acidic, and hence correct answer is 2. In this question we have to find correct order of acidic strength in the given compound. Now first, second and third molecule are having COOH group, while fourth is having both SO3H and COOH group. Now all the sulfonic acid are more acidic than all carboxylic acid, because in the case of sulfonic acid, here 3 equivalent resonating structures are formed, 3 equivalent resonating structure, while in the case of carboxylate anion, only 2 equivalent resonating structures are formed. So sulfonic acid are more acidic than carboxylic acid. Now one thing is clear, that fourth is most acidic, fourth molecule is most acidic. Now comparison between 1, 2 and 3. Now in first case, NO2 is having -I and -M effect on benzene ring. In second case, NO2 is having -I, -M, and along with -I and -M, SIR effect is present on COOH group, which also increases acidic strength. In third case, SIR effect is applicable on nitro group, due to which it will show -I effect, but it will not show its +M effect because it is not present in resonance with benzene ring. So only -I effect is present. Now after fourth, Second is most acidic because this molecule is having three effects which increases acidic strength minus I, minus M and SIR. After then, first is more acidic, third is least acidic because only minus I effect of NO2 group is present and hence correct sequence is 4, 2, 1, 3 and hence answer D is correct. In this question we have to find which of the following is the strongest acid. Now if we compare first, it is having COOH group and SO3H group. Now all other are having COOH group. Now comparing and third one is having OH group. Now first of all the sulfonic acid are more acidic than carboxylic acid because in case of sulfonic acid, when H proton is released, now three equivalent resonating structures are formed. If this negative charge is involved in resonance, so in this case three equivalent resonating structures are formed. In case of carboxylic acid, now two equivalent resonating structures are formed. Due to resonance, two identical or two equivalent resonating structures are formed. In case of phenoxide ion, when phenoxide ion is taken, in case of phenol, phenoxide ion is comparatively less stable because five resonating structures are formed but they are not identical. Non-identical resonating structures are being formed. So out of sulfonic acid, carboxylic acid and phenol, sulfonic acid is most acidic, then carboxylic and then phenol. Now only first molecule is having sulfonic group, hence sulfonic acid A is most acidic. Now if we compare other, B and C are having carboxylic group while D is phenol and phenol is least acidic, so D is least acidic. Now comparing B and C, in case of B, SIR effect is applicable on carboxylic group and SIR effect increases acidic strength of benzoic acid, so one factor SIR which is increasing acidic strength. Now NO2 is present which apply minus I or minus M effect on benzene ring, so SIR, minus I and minus M, three electron withdrawing, three groups are increasing acidic strength, while in case of C there is only minus I effect of NO2 group is present because now in this case SIR is applicable on NO2 group and due to which it will not show its minus M effect, so only minus I effect of NO2 is present. So B is more acidic than C and hence correct sequence A is most acidic, then B, then C and D is least acidic. A is most acidic and hence correct answer is A. In this question we have to compare following acid on decreasing order of acidic strength. Now first molecule is having minus M effect of both NO2 group, so two NO2 group are having minus M effect along with SIR effect is present. Now minus M and SIR both will increase acidic strength and hence first is most acidic. Now 2 and 3 both are having ortho effect, but in case of 2 along with ortho effect minus M of one NO2 which is situated at ortho position and minus I of another NO2 is present which is situated at meta position, while in third case ortho effect is present because NO2 is present at ortho position of COOH which will increase acidic strength. Now both of NO2 which are present at ortho and para position, so both will have minus M effect, so ortho effect and minus M effect of 2 NO2 group is present, So comparing 2 and 3, 3 is more acidic compared to 2. Now comparing 2 and 4, now only, now in this case SiR is not present on COOH. Now this NO2 is having minus M effect and one NO2 is having minus I effect. So SiR is not present, minus M and minus I of one group is present. So fourth will be least acidic, and hence correct sequence is 1, 3, 2, 4, and hence option B is correct. In this question we have to find in which case first is more acidic than second. Now in first case CH3 is having plus H effect and plus I effect. Now both are electron donating effect, and electron donating effect decreases acidic strength. Now in second case again plus H and plus I is present. Plus H is equal in both case, ortho and para, but inductive effect is distance dependent effect, and plus I is more in second case because CH3 is nearer to OH. So in this case first is more acidic than second, so correct answer is A. While if we consider other options, now in this case SiR is present on NO2 group, and if SiR is present on NO2 group, now this NO2 will not show its minus M effect, only minus I effect is applicable. While in second case SiR is not applicable on OH group and SiR is also not applicable on NO2 group. So now NO2 will have both minus I and minus M effect. So more electron withdrawing effects are present in 2, and electron withdrawing effects will increase acidic strength. So now in this case out of 1 and 2, 2 is more acidic. Now in third case here OH is electron donating, and hence it will have plus M effect and minus I effect. While in second case OH will have only minus I effect. So in option C, in first case OH is overall electron donating and it will decrease its acidic strength. Now in second case OH is withdrawing, and due to which it will increase acidic strength. So 2 will be more acidic than first. Now in third case OH is having minus I and plus M effect, so it will overall decrease acidic strength of phenol. While in fourth case NO2 is having very strong minus I and very strong minus M effect, and these both effects will increase acidic strength of phenol. So now in this case also second is more acidic than first. So only in first case first is more acidic than second, and hence correct answer is A. In this question we have to identify which of the following is most acidic. Now if electron withdrawing groups are present, they will increase acidic strength of phenol. Now in first case NO2 is having minus I and minus M effect. In second case NO2 is present at para position, so it will have minus I and minus M effect. So these two are electron withdrawing effect and they will increase acidic strength. Now along with Me is present. Now this Me is having plus I and plus H effect. Now these two will decrease acidic strength. In third case, two Me groups are present. Now Me groups are electron donating group, and electron donating plus I effect will decrease acidic strength. Now in option D, NO2 is present. NO2 will have very strong minus I effect, but in this case minus M effect is not applicable because due to SiR NO2 it will change its place. Due to SiR effect NO2 will change its effect, due to which it will not show resonance with benzene ring, and hence minus M effect will not be applicable. So most acidic among the given compound is in option A. In this question we have to find which of the following carbocation is more stable in given pair of carbocation. Now stability of carbocation can be explained in this case on the basis of Brett's rule. According to Brett's rule, positive charge is highly unstable on Bridgehead carbocation, but if number of carbon are increased in ring, then carbocation is comparatively more stable, or on Bridgehead carbon, carbocation is more stable when ring is having more number of carbon. So in case of first and in second case, both rings are 6 membered, while in first case both rings are 5 membered. So second carbocation is more stable than first carbocation. So in A, second is more stable. In B, now first carbocation is having 3 to 5, 3, 6 or only 8 alpha hydrogen and stabilized by hyperconjugation effect. Now in case 2, carbocation is given as stabilized by resonance, and due to this resonance one extra covalent bond is formed, and this type of resonance is most stabilizing resonance. This type of resonance is also called alpha effect when positive charge is present adjacent to lone pair. Now these type of carbocation are one of the most stable carbocation. So in B, second is more stable. So correct answer is A. In A, second is more stable. In B, also second is more stable.